So hello everyone, and today I'm back with an interesting video. This is gonna be an unboxing and reviewing video. So today I have something special for all my viewers. I am here with JBL Go Plus that was launched in India just yesterday, and I have got this for you to be unboxed here on our channel. And yes, okay, let me tell you that this is the first Indian channel where this unboxing is gonna take place. So does that mean that you got to subscribe to my channel? Obviously yes. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is it. This is the box that got delivered today. Actually, these speakers are Flipkart exclusive. So now let's move on to the unboxing part of this. Okay, this packing stuff. This useless, this bubble wrap. Oh, it's fun to play with. Okay, now this is the packing. This is the actual speaker, as you can see over here. Let's move on to this. Yeah. So this is the actual speaker unit. As you can see here, the introductory price that I got the speaker for was 1,799, wherein the MRP, as you can see over here, is 2,799. Probably the prices might go high after some time, because since it was the introductory, as it was launched just yesterday, JBL has kept its prices a bit lower. But then let's see, as you can read here, it is written as 5 hours of playtime. Let's see how does it work. And then it is also built in with a mic. JBL says that they have worked on the noise cancellation part for the speaker. I don't know how far is this going to be true, but then it sounds good. Okay, I wanted a black color. I got a red color instead. Okay, I think there was a high demand for this. I couldn't get a black one. Okay, let's move on. Okay, it's got out. Now this is the unit itself. Let's keep this apart. Okay, you get this as well. What this hold is, okay, the charging cable, basic USB-C type, some paperwork. Okay, let's keep this apart. I don't think so anybody is going to read this. It might also have the warranty card of this. Okay, let's keep all this apart. Come back to the speaker unit. Okay, it looks really cool. It's a bit bigger than the original JBL Go. It looks awesome. Let's unpack this as well. Okay, this is very irritating. Sure, so here's the speaker. Okay, it has a matte finish. It looks really cool. Front and back JBL. Here you can see there are 3 buttons. That is turn off. This is for playing, pausing, and for the next video, volume up and down, and the Bluetooth. Let's see if it has got some power to work on with. Oh yeah, it turned on. And now let's pair it up with the device. Okay, let's see what here's a Bluetooth button over here, you can see. Okay, let me see if I get it here. Oh yeah, see, here it is, JBL Go. I get it paired. Oh, got connected as well. It was super easy. Okay, here the light comes up once it's connected. Now let's play some music, the moment that we all have been waiting for. Okay, now let me search for a no copyright music. I don't want any strikes on my channel. Okay, let's play this. Damn it, video. Advertisement. How do you get rid of this? Okay. This is how you increase the volume over here. I'm sorry to interrupt you. This is really amazing. It has an amazing sound quality. Practically, I'm no one to judge JBL's sound quality. It has its own signature music, as we all know. Yet, if you want to listen, let's continue this. Let's see how loud can it be. Oh, I think it's the full. It's full. Okay, as we all know, this is really amazing sound quality. Okay, you can't doubt JBL, but it is a pretty loud sound. As you can see, here is the charging port. Here is the 3.5mm aux, so you can connect it directly. Okay, and then speaking about this mic, JBL is saying that it has worked more on the noise cancellation part of this. Very soon I'll show you the audio that has been recording from this mic so that you get a clear idea. And then this was it for the sound check. This is really amazing. If you want it, I would suggest you should buy it as soon as possible. The link for the purchase is given in the description. It's available exclusively on the Flipkart right now. And I don't think so they have provided it with any aux to get in here. I think you'll have to use it your own. It's not in the box. So let me take you to this sound check of how this mic actually records. So this recording is being done from this JBL speaker. As you can see, I don't know how does it actually sound. How do you check a mic? Hello, check mic, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, mic 1 2 3. Yeah, most importantly, I know many of you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now if I don't promote my channel, who's gonna do that? Okay, fine. So judge it yourself. How do you feel the sound is actually? I don't know. How do you feel? Okay, that's it. So that's it for this video. I've covered everything that you should know before buying this speaker. It's really amazing. I personally liked it a lot. I hope you like this video. And yes, please share this video to all your friends. And if you're planning to buy it, the link is in the description below. Share this as much as possible and subscribe without fail. Thank you for watching.